12-hour shifts in an emergency room. My husband works full-time also. And after raising 5 kids, often we come at the end of the day, we're exhausted physically and emotionally. I also deal with arthritis in my hands, which has made cleaning over time become more difficult. Now that we're getting closer to an empty nest, I still want to come home to a house that feels clean, peaceful, and cared for. And that's what Fabiana and Best Choice for You have given us. They didn't just clean our house, they gave us breathing room. They gave us one less thing to carry after a long day. So if you're busy, tired, overwhelmed, or just need help keeping up, I would absolutely recommend Fabiana and Best Choice for You.